Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can use Dynamo to write the elevation next to each floor plan. In the previous tutorial we wrote the elevation of each level next to the level name. However, in this tutorial we are going to write the elevation of each floor plan without any changes in the corresponding level names. So if you can see in this project of floor plan here, we are going to write the elevation of each floor plan. For example, this floor plan related to L1, this floor plan related to L2, and the other. We are going to write the elevation of, for example, L2 is here, for example, and we want to write the elevation next to the floor plan name without any changes in the name of each level. So first of all, you can set units of your project. For example, here I set it to meters. Okay, then I open a Dynamo and let's start the script. First of all, we need all the floor plans in the project. So we need to get all of the views in this project. So we can use categories, and here we are going to get all of the views and set the run mode to manual, and another all elements of category. So connect the output of category to input of all elements of category. So press F5 or click on run. You can see the result. You have a lot of views. Here is 251, and in the next step we need to filter these views because we don't have a lot of views like this. So what is these views? In Revit, both view and view plan, view template here, all of these are part of the view class. So some of the views here is a view template, and we don't need it because we don't want to rename the view template. So here we have a node named is template, yeah, it's part of a view category, and here we have yeah, it's here, is view template. So if you connect the views from the all elements of category to this node and see the result, you have some true and false. The true means, for example, here this view is a view template, and the false means, for example, here this view is not a view template and it's a view. So we need to filter this list, use this true and false. So we need a useful node named filter by bool mask. Yeah, here. This node is very useful, and we can use this node to filter this list. Okay, so I connect the elements to the list, and we need a mask. What is the mask? The mask is a list of true false. Okay, if it pass true, it's placed in the in list, and if the this node pass false, this element placed at the out list. Okay, so we connect the output of isView template to the input of the filter by bool mask and run it. Yeah, here you can see you have in list and out list. Here we want the out list because the out list means this, for example, here this view is false, and this means that this view isn't a view template and it's a view. And so we need the out list because the in list contains all of the view templates and the out list contains all of the views. So in the next step we have all of these views. Okay, so and the next step we need just floor plans. Okay, and we don't need the other ones. So we can use the type of views. For example, this view is a part of the floor plan type. Okay, this view is floor plan type. Here you can see the view name. Or for example, section, this view is the part of section type. Okay, so we can filter these views and just get the floor plan views using its type. So we need to get its the type of these views and filter these views based on the type name. So for the type we can use get parameter value by name node. Yeah, this element and the parameter name you can just use a code block and write type. You can write the parameter name here. Okay, and the view names just stored in the type parameter, and here you can see all of the element type. Okay, so you have the element type of these views. Okay, so we need the name of or the family name of these element types. Okay, you don't need the element type itself. So here we can get the family name of these element types. So you have element, let's search in the library, element type. Yeah, you have here, you have the element type category, and if you can see here, yeah, here the family name of the element type. With this node you can get the family name of the element type. Okay, so you can connect the output to this input and see the type name of each view. Okay, so you have the type name of each view, and you can filter this view based on its name contains, for example, floor plan. So you can filter by bool mask. Yeah, you can use this node again and filter this list. So I connect the string to the input of this node, and for the mask you need to check if the name of the element type is floor plan or not. So you can use the equal. Yes, you can use the equal rule and check if these values are equal to, you can have the node of string equal to floor plan. Yeah, I don't use the code block and I use the string node, because you can use this string node and set it is an input. When you set the node as input, you can use it later in the Dynamo player, and you can change it, for example, a structural plan or ceiling plan or another plan. So you can set it as input, and yeah, here you have some true and false. False means this is not floor plan, and true means this is floor plan, and you can pass the booleans to this dictionary. And here, if you can see, the in list contains floor plans and the out list contains the other type of the view. So here we can just get the elements of floor plan, but if you can see, the color is something light orange, and it means it is a string. So you filter the list of this string to the floor plan list. So I need to change the here I need to change the elements of each view. So I use this out to filter. Okay, if you can see now, you can filter the output of this list contains all of the views, and filter it based on its type name here is equal to floor plan. That's it. Okay, so here we got the floor plans, and you can just Control L and Control G. You can for example, all elements of floor plans. Yeah, all elements of floor plan. So in the next step, we need to get the elevation of each floor plan here. Okay, so if you can see, for the each floor plan here, you have a parameter name associated level, and using this associated level you can find the level name, and from the level name you can reach the element of the level. Okay, so let's do it. So in the next step, you need to get the name of each associated level parameter. So you can get parameter value by name, yes, here, and for the parameter name you need to use associated level, yeah, and connect the input. I think we need a yeah, we have a spelling error, associated level. Yeah, that's it. So we can get the level names here. So here we have the level names of each floor plan. For example, this floor plan related to L5, this floor plan related to L3, and we need to get the element of level. Okay, the entity, the entity of level. So so we need a list of all the levels in my project. So we can just get it using category. You know it. Yeah, levels, and all elements of category here, here, and here. Just you can see you have 18 levels in your project, and we need to convert the level names to level entity. Okay, so you can use a node. We have a node named list first index of first index of. You can use first index of to find which level related to which name. So before that you need to get the level names. Okay, so here, get parameter value by name, yes, here, and you need to get the level name. So if you select each level, you can see the name of level stored in the name perimeter. And yes, you can just write name, and if you can see, you can get the level names. You have 18 level names. So you want to find which level name. For example, L5 is which of this level. Okay, for example, L5 is the number 5 in this list, or for example, L3 is number 1 in this list. So you want to find the index of this item in this list. So if you connect the level names to the list and connect the list of our names to item and run it, you can see, yes, for example, L5 is the number of 5 in this list, and for example, L3 is number 1, for example, L2 is number 3. Yeah, so and now you can use this index to find the level element, the element of the level. So you have get index, get item, get item at index. For example, you need to get the number 5 of the element in this list. For example, you want to get this item of this list related to the first one. Okay, so if you connect the level nodes and use this index, you have 71 levels. For example, for the first one, for L5, you got it here, L5, L3, L3, L2, L2. Yeah, that's it. So we got the equivalent level of each floor plan. Okay, so from the level you need the elevation. Okay, so get parameter, yes, you know it, and elevation. Here, if you can see, when you select the level, the elevation of each level is stored in the elevation perimeter. Okay, then let's run it. Yes, you can see the elevation. So we need it as a string. We need to a string from object, and if you can see, you have a lot of precision, and you need just, for example, 4 or 5 substring, you can just get the substring, yes, here. From this string you can just write a code block. Start index is 0 because you want to start the first index, and the length is, for example, here you can use that code block, for example 4. If you can see, you have just 4 substring. If you change it to 5, run it, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 substring. Okay, that's it. So I could get the substring of these elevations, and now I can generate the string. For example, I need to get the name of each floor plan. For example, floor plan name plus, for example, parentheses plus, yeah, and in the parentheses you can use, for example, the elevation, for example, like this. Okay, so the elevation is here, and the floor plan name, is, I don't have the floor plan name, so I want to get it. Get parameter. I have the floor plan, but I don't have the name of the floor plan. My floor plan is here. This is my floor plan, and for the perimeter name, you can just get the name of each floor plan. Let's run it, and yeah, the list is empty because the floor plan name is stored in the view name, not name. So view name, run it, yeah, and the floor plan names is here. Run it. If you can see, we have the name of each floor plan, and next to the floor plan name we have the elevation of each floor plan. So let's do it. We need to set these values to the floor plan names. Yeah, you know it. Set parameter by name. Parameter is the, you can just click on your control in your keyboard and click on the input of this node, and yeah, here release the control and click on the input of this node. So the parameter name is here, view name. We need to set the view name here, so we can just use this, and the value is here. Okay, so let me clean this. For example, Control G here, and get the elevation associated to each floor plan. Yeah, and here Control G, you can write set the name of each floor plan. Yeah. Let me run the script, and would you like to rename corresponding level and views? No, we don't need to change the level names. Okay, so you click on no and wait to complete the script. Yeah, here, if you can see, you have the elevation of each floor plan beside and next to the floor plan name. For example, this floor plan, yeah, you have all of the elevation next to each floor plan. And just you can save this script and run it later for example, another type of view. Here we had a floor plan. If here you can just use a structural plan or ceiling plan or another type of 2D plans for this purpose. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe and like the video, and goodbye.